Good morning, YouTube. It is Monday morning, the Monday after Thanksgiving, and it's cold. Anyway, I've got the 140 warming up. I got my little firewood trailer. We'll go up to the other shop and hook up the log splitter. We're gonna go cut some, finish cutting on an oak tree, or continue cutting on an oak tree that fell last year. See if we can't skid some of the logs up so that I can cut them up with the 140, and we'll split them. We'll bring them back down to the shop. So stay tuned for log skidding with the 140. All right, here we are. Had to come back down to my shop for a minute. We're all set up. 140's running, ready to go. I've started the chainsaw, make sure it's ready. Started the log splitter, make sure it's ready. I got tired of coming home splitting wood, so I just welded me another receiver so I could hook up my log splitter to the back of this. I just do it all where I'm at. But anyway, when in doubt, rednecks figure it out. So anyway, here we go. Let's do it. Okay, here we are. We've made it to the tree, and I'll give you a look at what I'm working with. This is it. And it goes all the way back over there. You can see how big this tree is and how big that one is. He's just very lucky it didn't fall on his house. So, this is what I'm working with today. I'm gonna try and work down in the bottom down there and get some of that stuff up. I want to cut this and then try and roll this over, but I've got to cut that part up there on the top off first, and hopefully I can get it to roll this way. I'm not going to hook a chain to it and pull it this way, because when that thing falls, if I don't have enough slack in the chain, it will jerk that tractor back. So we'll do what we can and we'll go from there. So stay tuned, and we'll start skidding logs here in a few minutes. All right, welcome back. We got a pretty good trailer load. It split pretty good until I started getting up around the base of the tree and started splintering, but I don't care. It's firewood. I'm gonna burn it. But you can see over here, it's a pretty big tree. I mean, a big tree. It has to be over at least 200 years old. But I want to cut that limb going that way, and then I can roll this piece over. But I cut on the other side over there, and there's limbs in there that's at least 8-10 inches round, so I can get plenty of firewood out of that as well. And I want to cut this one, but like I said, first I want to be able to tackle that up there, so that way I can start cutting back this way, because when this tree fell over, that limb is the only thing holding this tree up. So if I can cut as much of that off before I get into this, I don't know what I'm going to use to pull it over. Might have to use a Chevrolet truck to pull it, but we'll get it. So I'm very grateful the landowner told me I could help myself and get all I wanted, and there was 2 more trees on his property across the street that I could get as well. So let's get on to the house and get this stuff unloaded and on the pallets and covered with a tarp. So thanks for watching and have a great afternoon. Alright, I know I already closed this out, but I started it back up. For all you naysayers who don't believe in red power, here it is. I'm loaded down and I'm pulling it. Of course, common sense tells you you keep it in first and you give it a little gas and you let it pull. But red power is a good thing. Can't beat red power. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.